Hey guys, Super Delicate here, and today I'm at this one place, and look, it's a bald eagle. Can't believe it. I never have seen one before.
I've seen them flying, but never this close, huh?
I mean, I might have saw one flying before, guys, but wow. Guys, we're back, and look, it's an owl.
It's a great horned owl.
Yep.
And over here we have a raccoon. We
And
saw a couple others earlier. One that didn't.
let's
Poor
go
guy had
back.
lost his tail.
Guys, we're gonna go back and see the other raccoons. Okay, guys. Look. This is my bone. Look at this bone. Look at this bone, guys. Good bone. And let's go back and see the other animals that you guys didn't see.
Oh.
Hey guys, we're back and look at this squirrel. Look, isn't it so cool?
A jumpy squirrel.
Yep. Jumpy squirrel. Now, guys, we're back.
Got a
And look at this red-tailed fox, I think it's called.
red fox. Yeah.
Red fox.
He's sleeping.
The fox boy having good dreams, guys. It's like, dream about a fox.
Sweet dreams, red fox. Catch that rabbit.
Hey guys, see the bald eagle again? The bald eagle. It's like. Oh man, bald eagles can trace their head so far. By the way, this bald eagle, it seems. Oh! Okay, well, this bald eagle's wing is broken. Guys.
I imagine they could.
Hey guys, more raccoons. One of them's missing its tail, and the other one has a tail. You guys can see, there's some possums.
Some sleepy possums.
Yep, some sleepy possums. Can you see it?
Mhm.
Hey guys, we're back. And look, there's a monitor lizard.
This is a Nile monitor lizard.
Huh? They're sort of like a Komodo dragon.
Yeah, they're like a smaller cousin to them, and they are poisonous.
Yep.
Or venomous, not sure which. I think they're poisonous, if I'm not mistaken, but y'all can let me know in the comments if you know more about it.